No, I usually don't get it in the Alero too much. Don't need speeding tickets, anything like that. Been running it a little harder. Trying to work some of that gumminess out of the valves. You know, it's not too bad for a 3400 V6. You know, I'm personally a V8 man myself, but you know, it's not too bad. Maybe I can get to a good spot. We'll get a good start off the line. I guess. It's not my 73.